three questions textual questions which was three textual questions. Question number one using what are the three questions in the story? What are the three questions in the story? Answer lekho is three questions in the story are again, what is the right time to begin something? The question, what people should we listen? Three, what is the most important thing to do? Question number 0, why did the king want to seek answers to these questions? The king wanted answers because he thought that he would never fail once he know answers to the questions. Why was the king advised to go to the magicians? The king was advised to go to magicians for knowing the answers of three questions. The king was advised to go to magicians for knowing the answers of three questions. Was the king satisfied with answers of the wise men? The king was not satisfied with the answers of the wise men. How did the king and hermit help the wounded man? They washed and redressed the wound till the bleeding stopped. Who was the bearded man? Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Bearded man was the enemy of the king. He asked king for the forgiveness as he had made up his mind to kill the king. How did the king show his forgiveness? The king shows his forgiveness as he would send his servants and doctors of his own to look after the bearded man. What answers did the hermit give to the three questions? Answers of hermit to the three questions. The only important time is when you have power to act. The most important person is with whom you are at a particular moment. The most important thing is to do that person good. Then complete the following sentence by adding the appropriate parts of the sentence given in the box below. Many wise men answered the king's questions. Authors brackets must show boxes must death show but their answers were so be varied that the king was not satisfied. Someone else suggested that there would be a council of wise men to answer three questions. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it. The king requested the hermit to help the king act at the right time. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Find from the lesson words which mean the following. To act in accordance with, avoid, ABID, to cause, to occur earlier, predict, an assembly of people who advise, counselor, to find by searching, to look for, discover, meet with friendliness or expressions of welcome, greeting, small patches of group of plants, beds, feel sorry for, bad, got up from sleep, awake, give back, return, lost consciousness, faint. वो जो हम expressions, polite expressions, यानी कि शाइस्ताना शरीफाना expressions. Polite, polite शरीफाना शाइस्तगी हो. When you are speaking English, you can use these phrases correctly. जैसे excuse me, which one excuse me, इस पर इसको attraction, attention वगैरह पान उसको ना है. फिर उन यहाँ की प्रश्न है about past वगैरह. यहाँ sorry शेष वना या I am sorry. इस पर इसका माफी वगैरह है वहाँ. यहाँ पढ़न वनोस, यहाँ sorry वनोस. یِژ پھِر نہٕ أسۍ کٲنٛسہِ ہُنٛد بوزو کینٛہہ یِژ پھِر نہٕ أسۍ کٲنٛسہِ ہُنٛد سَمجھی کینٛہہ ییٚلہِ أسۍ رِپیٖٹ یَژھناوو یہِ کَرُن یِتھَے کٔنۍ آی ایم ایفریڈ یہِ فرٛیز چھِ أسۍ یوٗز کَران ییٚلہِ أسۍ کٲنٛسہِ معٲفی چھِ ہٮ۪وان ہیوٚن ییٚلہِ أسۍ کینٛہہ چھِ یَژھان کٲنٛسہِ وَنُن یُس نہٕ اَسہِ مطلب یُس نہٕ لایک کَرِ سُہ کینٛہہ پٕلیٖز یہِ چھِ أسۍ وَنان تَمہِ ساتہٕ ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ نہٕ أسۍ کٲنٛسہِ وَنان چھِ کینٛہہ کَرُن یِتھَے کٔنۍ تھینٛک یوٗ یِژ پھِر اَسہِ کینٛہہ اِنفارمیشَن حٲصِل چھِ کَران یا کانٛہہ چیٖز وغیرہ حٲصِل کَران أسۍ چھِ وَنان تھینٛکٕس وٕچھو چھُنہٕ اَسہِ یِمَن سُچویشنَن منٛز کیٛاہ وَنو أسۍ سَمبٔڈی آفٲرٕس یوٗ اے کَپ آف ٹی بَٹ یوٗ ڈونٛٹ وانٹ اِٹ تِژ پھِر کیٛاہ وَنو أسۍ یِژ پھِر اَسہِ کانٛہہ دی کَپ آف ٹی أسۍ دَپو نہ اَسہِ چھُنہٕ أسۍ چٮ۪مو نہٕ یا اَسہِ چھُنہٕ ضوٚرَتھ أسۍ وَنو تِژ پھِر تھینٛک یوٗ یوٗ وانٹ سَمبٔڈی ٹُو لِسن ٹُو یوٗ کٲنٛسہِ تانۍ چھُ گژھان کانٛہہ پانَس کُن بوزناوُن کینٛہہ تَتھ وَنو ایٚکٕسکیوٗز می یوٗ ڈِڈ ناٹ اَنڈَرسٹینٛڈ واٹ سَمبٔڈی سیٚڈ کیٚنٛہہ تٔمۍ ووٚن کیٛاہ تام مگر ژٕ کوٚرُتھ نہٕ اَنڈَرسٹینٛڈ کینٛہہ تِژ پھِر لَگاوو أسۍ سوری somebody asks you for a change of ₹500 but you don't have it کُس نَے چھِ دِوان چینٛج 500 مگر ژےٚ چھِ نہٕ یہِ کینٛہہ تِژ پھِر وَنو أسۍ سوری you want somebody to pass you the pen which is on the table please لیکھو you are you want somebody to pass you the pen which is on the table please you are late and your teacher asks you why you are late no sorry sir somebody has offered you an apple and you ate it thank you you want somebody to show you the way to the railway station how will you start the conversation excuse me